In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to build a simple but powerful to-do list and task dashboard in Notion. This setup is perfect if you want a clean daily planner where you can clearly see what you're doing today and what's coming up next without getting overwhelmed by complicated databases. Whether you're new to Notion or already using it and want a better task system, this method will help you stay focused and productive. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to your Simple Planner page. If you don't already have one, you can create a new blank page and name it Simple Planner. This will be the foundation of your task dashboard. Once you're on the page, we're going to set up the layout so it's easy to manage tasks at a glance. To do that, we'll divide the page into two sections. Type /2 columns and press Enter to create a two-column layout. This allows you to separate today's tasks from upcoming tasks visually, which is key for staying organized. Inside each column, we're going to add a callout block to clearly label and group our tasks. Type /callout and press Enter, and repeat this for the second column as well. These callout blocks help highlight important sections and keep everything neat and readable. Now, in the first callout block, type Simple Planner as the main heading so you know this is your personal task dashboard. This gives your page a clear identity and makes it feel more intentional. Next, inside the left column, type Doing Today. This section is where all the tasks you plan to focus on today will live. Under this heading, start adding your tasks as simple to-do items by typing /to-do and listing out what you need to get done today. As you complete tasks, you can simply check them off, which gives you that satisfying sense of progress throughout the day. Once that's set up, move to the second column and type Coming Up. This section is for tasks that aren't urgent today, but are still important in the near future. Think of this as your short-term backlog. Add your upcoming tasks here using to-do blocks as well. This way, nothing gets forgotten, but your main focus stays on what truly needs attention today. One of the most powerful parts of this system is how flexible it is. If your priorities change during the day, you can easily shift tasks between sections. For example, if something in Doing Today is no longer urgent, simply drag it into the Coming Up section. On the other hand, if a task from Coming Up suddenly becomes important and needs to be done today, just drag it into the Doing Today column. This drag-and-drop workflow makes it incredibly easy to adapt as your schedule changes, without having to rewrite or reorganize everything manually. As you use this planner daily, you'll start to develop a habit of reviewing your Coming Up section and deciding what should move into Doing Today. This keeps your workload realistic and helps prevent burnout by not overloading your daily task list. And that's it. You've now built a simple, clean, and effective to-do list and task dashboard in Notion that you can use every single day. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, productivity workflows, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.